Join me as I put RayHong's 5.0-inch portable digital video magnifier to the test and see if it really can magnify my world like never before. For individuals with visual impairments, everyday tasks can be a real challenge. Simple things like reading a book, watching TV, or even cooking a meal can become frustrating experiences. That's where the RayHong 5.0-inch portable digital video magnifier comes in, a game-changing device designed to make life easier. Trying to read small text or see detailed images without assistance can be incredibly difficult. You might strain your eyes, squint, or even try to get closer to the object, but it's just not the same. The text remains blurry, and the images stay unclear. It's like trying to watch a movie with a broken projector, it's just not enjoyable. We've all been there, struggling to make out what's on a menu, a sign, or a label. It's like our eyes are playing a trick on us, and no matter how hard we try, we just can't seem to focus. And it's not just about reading, it's about being independent, being able to do things on our own without relying on others. For people with visual impairments, this can be a daily struggle. Imagine having to ask someone to read out loud to you every time you want to check your phone or read a book. It's not just inconvenient, it's also limiting. You start to feel like you're missing out on things, like you're not living life to the fullest. The emotional toll of visual impairment shouldn't be underestimated either. It can lead to feelings of isolation, frustration, and even depression. That's why finding a solution is so crucial. The RayHong magnifier boasts adjustable magnification levels, allowing users to customize their viewing experience. With its 5.0-inch screen, you can easily view images, read text, and even watch videos in high definition. Plus, it's incredibly portable, making it easy to take with you on the go. One of the standout features of this device is its user-friendly design. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for users to navigate and find what they need. The device also comes with a built-in rechargeable battery, providing hours of use on a single charge. The RayHong magnifier also features a high-quality camera that captures clear images and text. The device supports up to 8x digital zoom, allowing users to get up close and personal with what they're viewing. Another great feature of this device is its ability to freeze images, allowing users to take a closer look at something without having to hold the device steady. This is especially useful for reading labels or examining small objects. Okay, let's see this magnifier in action. I'm going to use it to read a book. As you can see, the text is crystal clear, and I can adjust the magnification to suit my needs. I'm also going to show you how easy it is to use. Just point, focus, and you're good to go. I'm really impressed with how easy it is to use. I can read this book without straining my eyes, and the text is clear and crisp. I'm also going to show you how it handles images. As you can see, the picture is clear and vibrant, and I can zoom in and out with ease. Using the RayHong magnifier has been a game changer for me. I can do things on my own, without having to rely on others. It's given me a newfound sense of independence, and I feel like I can live life to the fullest. The RayHong 5.0-inch portable digital video magnifier has been a revelation. It's helped me overcome the challenges of visual impairment, and I'm so grateful to have it in my life. The RayHong magnifier has truly magnified my world, and I'm confident it can do the same for you. It addresses visual challenges and improves quality of life for its users. If you've had any experiences with magnifiers or assistive technology, I'd love to hear about them. Leave a comment below and let's chat. Don't forget to check out my other videos on assistive technology, and thanks for watching.